Panoorin nyo ito mga Brad. Isang hambog na Mexicano ang nagsabing uubusin daw ang mga Pinoy, lalo na ang mga Bisaya. Ayon sa kanyang interview sa kanyang paparating na laban kontra sa Pinoy, sinigurado niyang bugbog daw ang abutin ng Pinoy at naka-stretcher itong aalis sa ring.
This Filipino cannot able to walk after the fight. I spar super welterweight and middleweight. This is very easy for me.
Ngunit pagdating sa mismong laban, ang hambog ay pinabagsak ni Kabayan at pinagapang na parang sanggol. Bago nito, biglang sumikat sa Amerika ang Mexican Southpaw na si Juan Antonio Rodriguez. Ito ay matapos niyang gulatin ang mga boxing fan mula nang ma-upset niya ang Cebuano World Rank No. 2 contender na si Mercito Gesta. At dahil sa panalong iyon, tumaas ng husto ang kumpiyansa ni Rodriguez. Para sa kanya, madali lang daw ang laban kay Gesta. Kaya nang malaman niyang isa na namang Pinoy ang susunod niyang makakalaban, kampante siyang pareho rin ang magiging resulta. Ang kanyang bagong katunggali, ang hard-hitting boxer mula General Santos City, si Romero Ruthless Duno. Para kay Rodriguez, isa na naman daw itong madaling biktima. Isang hagdan lamang patungo sa kanyang pangarap na world title. Ayon pa sa kanya, 3 minuto lamang niyang pinanood ang highlights ni Duno. At sapat na raw yon para malaman niyang kaya niyang patulugin ang Pilipino. Pero may malaking pagkakamali ang Mexicano. Hindi niya lubos na nakilala ang mandirigmang kanyang hinamon. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa Fantasy Springs Casino sa Indio, California. Bago yan, pa-like at subscribe na lang kasama ang bell. Malaking tulong yan sa aming mga content creator. Sa pagbukas pa lamang ng first round, sumabog agad ang aksyon. Walang atrasan, walang pakiramdaman. Nagpalitan kaagad sila ng mabibigat na suntok. Pero si Duno ang unang nagdikta ng bakbakan.
Big punches early on from both.
Sa second round, lalo pang dinagdagan ng Pinoy ang kanyang pressure. Sunod-sunod na kombinasyon ang kanyang pinakawalan habang pilit niyang itinutulak patras si Rodriguez. Hindi naman basta sumuko ang Mexicano.
Like to be the face of a country, the face of a culture. And also, wow, let us know. Say what's up. Rodriguez takes a body shot from Duno.
This is a very even round. Rodriguez is giving as good as he's taking, but the harder shots are being landed by Duno.
Rodriguez is just standing right there, going nowhere.
Rodriguez is doing a good job with his jab.
Boy, Duno is just unloading, hoping.
Rodriguez is doing a good job with his jab.
Boy, Duno is just unloading, hoping.
Sa third round, nakabawi siya at nakapagpakawala ng ilang malilinis na suntok. Pero bawat tama niya, may kasunod na mabigat na sagot mula kay Duno.
Ayan. At nagawa naman itong
Wilder than he was in the previous round. Really be opening himself up to getting a clipper shot.
Pagsapit ng fourth round, naging totoong digmaan ang laban. Parehong ayaw umatras. Parehong gustong patunayan kung sino ang mas matapang.
And he's landing a lot. Duno landing at a slightly higher connect rate.
Remember, Duno has gone 10.
Might be wise to go to the body. He's landing to the head. He's busting up Rodriguez to his eyes.
Round number 5. California, Conifer, Golden Boy, our home away from home. Just 2 hours straight east of Los Angeles. Rodriguez, good combination. Just so far, looks like this. Pretty much even. Landed, not so much.
I think Rodriguez is better with the combinations when they're in close. He mixes the body and head punches very well.
And now Duno is taking some punishment courtesy Rodriguez.
The better getting off in flamboyant spots, letting his hands go here and there. And they're hard punches, and they're flashy, and they're attention.
Sa 6th round, nakapagpakawala ang Mexicano ng ilang mabibigat na suntok na yumanig kay Duno. Akala ng marami, baka dito na makuha ni Rodriguez ang momentum. Pero matibay ang Pinoy, hindi siya bumigay.
Oh, Duno!
And Rodriguez is hurting Duno now. Snapping the head back with those straight lefts.
I think he's tired. I think he's surprised.
Yes.
And Duno takes another straight left. And Rodriguez. Are we going to have two upset?
Round 7, nagkaroon ng aberya. Na-deduct ng 1 punto si Duno dahil sa accidental low blow.
Rodriguez na parang bata sa laban.
I've got Rodriguez winning from the 3rd round.
Last name, so Mozo is his other last name. It's Rodriguez Mozo, and everybody just calls him El Mozo. And that's one wrinkle in.
Kaya pagdating ng 8th round, isang napakalakas na body shot ang pinakawalan ng Pinoy. Bumagsak si Rodriguez. Sa sobrang sakit ng tama, napagapang siya sa lona habang pilit na bumabangon. Doon na pagtanto ng Mexicano, hindi pala ordinaryong kalaban ng Pilipinong minamaliit niya.
Also giving instructions to father former IBF World Champion Randy Caballero.
And he's doing a great job. Ooh, was that another low blow?
Well, I think it was
They're
a body
counting.
shot.
He's doing a great.
Well, they're calling it a knockdown.
Got it.
Nakatayo pa si Rodriguez at ipinagpatuloy ang laban.
Up at 9. Okay, they're calling that a
I
knockdown.
think maybe Rodriguez thought that it was a low blow.
Big right hand from Duno. He wants to finish this right now.
And he's got to suck it up. Now there's another borderline shot from Duno. Duno's got to be careful with that, but it's wise to go back to the body because that's where he hurt.
Right,
Rodriguez.
right back. You're exactly right. 15 seconds.
What a left hand from Rodriguez.
This guy is so tough. Round number 9.
That eye does look nasty, but I think Mr. Caballero's done a good job controlling the flow of blood.
Oh, good straight left hand by Rodriguez.
Rodriguez is fighting with a sense of urgency now. He was hurt to the body in that previous round.
Oh,
Ngunit sa 9th round, lumala ang kanyang sugat. Dahil ang hiwa ay nanggaling sa accidental headbutt, ipinatigil ang laban at binasa ang scorecards. Doon tuluyang nabasag ang kumpiyansa ng Mexicano. Technical split decision victory para kay Romero Ruthless Duno. Mula sa 1 puntos na kaltas, bumawi siya sa pamamagitan ng isang napakalinis na knockdown. At sa mismong Amerika, ipinakita niyang hindi dapat minamaliit ang mandirigmang Pilipino. Lalo na ang isang Bisaya na lumalaban para sa dangal ng buong Pilipinas. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa ipinakitang tapang ni Romero Duno? Ilagay sa baba ang inyong opinyon at isama ang inyong lugar para malaman natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta sa ating mga Pinoy boxer, lalo na sa mga Bisaya.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.